History of structural equation modeling. See, basically, if you want to use structural equation modeling software, either AMOS or maybe SmartPLS, you should have a model first like that. For the beginner researchers, you have to think, I need a model like this. So that's why I'm showing. I'm just giving a eye-cap. Fundamentals of structural equation modeling. If you use any software of SEM, I'll show how many softwares are there. AMOS or SmartPLS. This is the ABC of SEM. ABC of SEM. Or you say the formula of ABC of SEM, I think that's the right word. So first you have to understand CB-SEM. We used to say the covariance-based SEM. This is called common factor modeling. Basically, it is actually now the SmartPLS. No, sorry, this is CB-SEM. This is basically the AMOS. Variance-based SEM. Now we used to use this is the PLS-SEM. This is composite modeling. You have to know exogenous variable. Exogenous variable means it is independent variables. Endogenous variables in SmartPLS we use it is endogenous variables, but in other cases we use the dependent variable. You have to know what is latent variables. It will come in the maybe next slides. You just remember the terms. As I said, these are the ABCs of structural equation modeling. What is observed variables? Measurement model. This is, in other words, also we used to call this is outer model. Structural model we used to call the inner model. Formative measurement model, reflective measurement model. I think these are the terms you saw in the poster also. You have to know what is loading and what is weight. So just you have to remember all the new things. You have to know if you want to run the SEM. Now the point is, what is CB-SEM and variance-based SEM? There is some information over here, and I'll show one article also. Actually, I think that is end of this slide. I will show that article. There also it is written in details what is CB-SEM and what is variance-based SEM. So I'm not going to details. Rather, if I get time, I'll go for the practical. But in simple, who are using the CB-SEM, we use the AMOS software. Who are using the variance-based SEM, popularly we use the SmartPLS SEM. So other things I think I can discuss. It is theoretical discussion, but I think remaining slide will tell more on that. See, these are the softwares. So if you use the CB-SEM, not only AMOS, I am telling several times, other softwares also. I have little bit idea about AMOS. I attended one workshop, but other softwares, I'm not expert on that. If you come to the variance-based SEM means PLS-SEM, that is our today's workshop. So in our today's workshop also, if you use the variance-based SEM, that is PLS-SEM, partial discrete structural equation modeling, you can use any of the software. I am not expert. I have little bit knowledge on SmartPLS because I used in my PhD data. So recently, a whole analysis I done by myself. Other softwares also are there. So you can any softwares, but if you ask me, what are the softwares very popular in these two cases? In CB-SEM, AMOS, and PLS-SEM or variance-based SEM, the SmartPLS. Basic SEM model, already I showed you, it will be like that. See. X. This is independent variable, endogenous variable, this is dependent variable. Exogenous variable, latent variables, that serve only as independent variables in a structural model.